Today I'm going to show you what you can get from TEMU for about 18 euros. When I bought it, it was around 18 euros. It's an OBD scanner which can be used apparently on multiple vehicles, and I'm going to show you what do you get for 18 euros in this package. It also says that it can do battery tests, diagnose the car, and so on and on. But let's see how that works in practice. I'll be using my Renault Scenic from 2003. It's a diesel 1.5, and yeah, let's see how this works. So here it is unpacked, and this is what you will get. You get two user manuals. One appears to be in German and another one in English and also in color, so you can learn how to use this if you don't know already. Here's the device, as you can see. Pretty short cable. Quality is solid for a device that it is for 18 euros. The materials are solid, so let's see how it works when we connect it to the car. So here's the device connected to the car's OBD port, and what we have here is 4 options: diagnosis, battery, and DCC library, and settings for the scanner. Let's right away try to connect to the car and see what it can show us. It's connecting at the moment. As you can see, ignition is on, and we found the protocol. Okay, codes found 99, which I can already say is incorrect. Let's see, we have read codes, errors, as you can see, view freeze frame readiness. Okay, let's read the codes. Stored codes. No codes are stored in the module, which is also incorrect because there are some codes. I know this because I have Delphi Diagnostics as well, and I confirmed a couple of codes which are minor, but still it means that this device cannot read those codes. Let's see if we have some values. Maybe live PCM data. Okay, we have 2 pages of data. RPM. I honestly don't know what these mean, but yeah, there you go, 2 pages. Page second, nothing. So 1 page of data for the live PCM data. O2 sensor test. I don't know how to use that. I don't want to try it right now. Component test. So basically unspecified tests are listed, which I also don't want to try out. It's, yeah, strange that they just say test, and I'm not knowing what I'm testing, so I will not try it. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, it appears to be like a color screen, but the colors are really washed out. So yeah, what can you expect for 18 euros? When it comes to battery, we have measurement, which says 12.4 volts, and here it's totally different values, 12.7 and 11.9. Okay, battery monitoring. This is, I guess, live graph which can show you the behavior of the charging system when the car is running. And battery life test requires to start the car, and yeah, that will tell you a simple graph like battery is good, bad, or in the middle. It's really simple. In the settings, in the library, actually we have to look up some codes. I'll put some numbers here and see if we get anything. Yeah, I've noticed this before because I already tried out this device, and sometimes manufacturer control will appear and there will be no actual information about error or DTC. In the settings we have languages, unit of measure, key beep and backlight. And that's pretty much it about this S40. As you can see, it's pretty basic, and I honestly wouldn't recommend buying this for 18 euros. Maybe it's useful for battery testing and such things, but for reading codes in this car, in this Renault, it's basically not possible. As you can see, it doesn't find codes I already know about, and it also doesn't really specify what the code is, even if it finds it. Let's see pending codes here. Yeah, we have pending codes C2330, and now you would need usually to go on Google and look up these codes. It says there is 18 codes, which is untrue as well. Yeah, I think it is like 50-50. Maybe it helps in some cases, but I wouldn't rely on such a device solely. Yes, so that's pretty much it about this little device. Yeah, you judge for yourself, do you want it or not, but I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and maybe subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.